Stop working harder on SEO. Start working smarter. Most businesses think ranking on Google requires writing dozens of posts or hiring expensive agencies. That's outdated. In 2026, the winners focus on high-impact tactics first. Start with keyword gap analysis by studying your top 3 competitors. Find the searches they rank for that you don't. Then understand search intent before you write anything. Look at the top 5 results for your target keyword. What format do they use? Match that format, and you're already winning. Use strategic keyword placement in your opening sentence and first heading. Finally, build topic authority by creating clusters of related articles around one core topic. This approach takes less time and delivers real results. Learn the complete strategy at overrank.ai.